Hello guys, welcome back to MBBSCouncil. We provide MBBS and PG admission paid counseling guidance for all India quota and state quota for all states. MCC has released a UG counseling schedule for this year. If you want to know the exact date-wise schedule, I'll leave a link for that. So now let's see the sequence of events and important rules that you should keep in mind while applying for the counseling. Before that, if you are new to this channel and looking for NEET counseling, I request you to subscribe to the channel now and press the bell icon to get notified instantly. Now let's say the counseling overview. The very step of the MCC counseling is that we have to register ourselves in their portal. As there is no merit list or applied list in the MCC counseling, as well as there is no document verification, the choice filling begins right after the registration. Once the choice filling is over, it will take 2 or more days to process the allotment. After that, they will release the provisional allotment list. If we found a discrepancy in that, we can report to them. After that, they will release the final allotment list. Then we should log in to the MCC portal and we can download the allotment order and we can report or join to the allotted college. The process is same for all the rounds of the counseling. Now let's see the important things we should note in the MCC counseling, starting with registration. There is fresh registration for all the 3 rounds. Even if we haven't registered for any of the rounds, we can register for the subsequent rounds of the counseling at any time. Now let's move on to joining rules. If you were allotted a seat in the first round, it's not mandatory to join the college. If you were allotted a seat in the second round, if you didn't join the college, the security amount which you have paid initially will be forfeited. And also if you need to participate again for the round 3, you have to register yourself again with the security deposit. Similarly for the round 3 also, if you didn't join the college after new registration, the security amount will be forfeited. For round 4, no fresh registration is allowed. Now let's see about the choice filling. Fresh choice filling is available in the first 3 rounds of the counseling. For the straight round, as there is no fresh registration, there is no fresh choice filling also. If you want to know which college you should be your first priority, you can check out the ranker menu in the MBBSCouncil app, where you can rank colleges based on various factors such as average patients, total beds and other factors for all type of colleges. If you haven't installed it yet, I'll leave a link in the description box below. You can install it by clicking it. Now let's see about upgradation rules. Upgradation is allowed from round 1 to round 2 only. If you want to know what other colleges you have a chance to get in all rounds of counseling, you can try out the predictor menu in the app, where you will get a list of colleges for your All India rank for all rounds. Hope I covered the important steps of the MCC counseling. If you have any doubts, you can ask them in the comment section. I will reply to them. See you in another video. All the best.